Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about Affinity by Canva. So Affinity was purchased by Canva pretty recently and they have made a very major release right now, and now we can see all interesting software into one application and with a really nice unique extension that is called .af. And in the presentation they just added cool before that cool.af, and that was the perk of the movement, and it is now really nice. You can use it. It is giving you the full creative freedom, and that's actually free. Yeah, it's 100% free, and this is the major thing that I am liking the most, that you can do anything without having to pay. Because most often what happens is like you buy these softwares but you tend to use them very less. Like you spend very less time creating stuff, like for majority of days in your month you are not into creating something, because creativity does not come every single day until you are into that business. So if you are just looking to create stuff very randomly, you are not into that business, but you have to use it sometime. For example, you're a YouTuber and you have to create some thumbnails, but you don't make videos pretty often. Like you are making videos like once in a week or once in 2 weeks, then it's really hard to utilize these softwares because you're paying them, and if you're not utilizing the full potential of the grades or the money you are paying to these softwares, then it is definitely not worth it, not worth the ROI that you're spending. So yeah, so if you're using Adobe software, the pain, because you have to spend a lot of money and then you are not using it, and then you at the end of the day or end of subscription life cycle, you are just repenting that you had done nothing using the subscription you had. So with Affinity by Canva, you are gonna unleash your creativity and you're gonna do anything that you want without having to pay a single penny. But if you have Canva Pro, then you will have some AI features enabled, and that is a perk. So most people, like millions of people, do have Canva Pro. That's a very nice thing. So if you are one of these, you already have Canva Pro, then you are gonna get some full AI credentials, sorry, not credentials, AI power in your application. So let me just quickly open up. I have downloaded from Mac and I will just show it to you. So you can see how fast it is. Okay, in single click it just opened in 2 seconds, and then I have option to choose whether to start on a vector, whether to start on a pixel or layout, and then I have this tab for the Canva AI. Okay, let me just close this one right there. I'll create a new. Okay, you can go to any of these options, just click on a new and choose the dimensions you want to create. You do have all different document settings on the right here or here in the pop-up. You can choose, you can toggle everything, so it's really nice. You do have multiple options to go start with. So let me create a document first. So here in the left sidebar, just like Photoshop, you do have a lot of different tools. But yeah, if you have ever used Affinity Pro, like the designer or photo software in past, that how efficient that already was. But the colorized system for tabs and all of these has been changed by the Canva. So they have implemented stuff. They have worked a lot on the development part, and they're giving you the best out of the best in terms of performance and in terms of creativity and in terms of the features as well. So you can over here see all the color swatches, stroke appearance. You can change, customize from here, and over here on the layers, path brushes, quick fixes, styles you can choose from. And then you will have to just add anything like that. Just press on T, you're gonna type in anything like that. You have tons of different options over here. Okay, you can show, hide, lock layers and anything, just like Photoshop. So the best thing is that you are not gonna pay for it, and you can replace your Adobe system with Affinity right now. And of course you will have to check the features, because Adobe gives you some power in terms of collaboration, not only user collaboration but app based collaboration. For example, if you're editing on Adobe After Effects or Adobe Premiere Pro. Then if you have file on Adobe Illustrator, for example, you have a logo and you want to animate that logo in the Adobe After Effects, then you can easily import that stuff onto your After Effects and do the things. But here I am not aware or sure about whether this option or capability is present as of now in the Affinity, because they don't have any video editing software at the moment. But Adobe is having a lot of different applications that have very nice integrations between them. So yeah, it will be hard for the pro level people who are using extensively Adobe applications to switch right now. But if you are a person who is not using a lot of Adobe applications, or who is having less amount of work, very random stuff, then you can definitely choose Affinity, because you can do everything on here. Whether you are designing magazine, some newspapers, articles, or anything you want to design, you can do that. You can also create UI UX designs and layout, just like Figma. You have stock library as well from Pixabay. You can choose between Pixabay and Pixels as well. And Canva UI is always a perk. You can do a lot of different things. So yeah, now you can see over here you have some dock tools, you do have object selection tools and selection brush tools, freehand selection tools and rectangular marker tools, elliptical marker tools. So all those very different tools and features available to enhance your experience, to do some AI enhancements, AI edits in your application. So that's really a perk and really nice. Photoshop is already having a lot of AI features right now, but it will be worth watching to see if this free tool can compete with that. So yeah, if you want to, you can just go ahead on to affinity.studio and you can get Affinity software right away. Coming on to the FAQs, let me see what they have. So yeah, now you can see over here that it is absolutely free, and if you are kind of premium, you will also be able to unlock the powerful AI tools by Canva within the Affinity via the Canva AI Studio. And you don't yes, you need a Canva account, but you don't need a Canva Pro subscription necessarily to use this application. That will be perk if you have it, but you don't need it necessarily. And do I need Canva Pro or other premium Canva plan to use Affinity? No, you can access all of the Affinity's vector layout and pixel tools for free without a Canva subscription. And if you would like to unlock Canva AI tools within Affinity, however, you will need a premium Canva plan. Okay, and this tool can bring in a lot of confidence, a lot of capabilities, a lot of emotions to your graphics, to your designs, and to your creativity, and to your all the creations, right? So I'm just recommending to use it right away. And if you like this video, just click on the like button and subscribe to our channel for watching more videos like this. And if you want to check out Canva Pro, you can get the Canva Pro plan for 30 days for free just by clicking on a link in description. I will leave that over there, and you can just start using it, and you can try Affinity Pro or Affinity Studio right away. Okay, and I will be making more videos on that. I'm just trying out some of the features like vector pixel, and there are more features as well. So I'm just gonna give it a try, and I will come up with some results afterwards, and we'll be making a new video on that. By the time being, you can just stay subscribed and make sure that you like and share these videos, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching more. Thank you for watching till here. See you next one.